So what's our video pit part two? So we're going to clean up this pit. We're going to move them lifts. So these pits haven't been used since 1995. So we used them for about 9 years, and we haven't been in here for about 30 years. So about 95. So we did do a job in the ladder. We'd get our stenting up a bit there. So I'll get another little turn here. Just a lot fitter. So that's the wee wall light been on. That was the other one that's broken off. So we're going to clean this all down here, and we'll fix all this up and tidy this up a bit here. And we'll do a few videos using the bit here, and might bring back a few memories, whatever. But this is how it used to be on here. So from 88 till about 95, and that's probably one of my last jobs done in here. Was probably a Ford Transit carrier burn. So this is going to be all cleaned up, and we'll steam clean the walls and paint the walls again. And we'll install a few lights, and we'll do a few videos here using the bit. And down here years ago, you'd always lean against the wall there. You'd always sort of your legs were never too tired. So that's the advantage. But it was warm in here in winter, and it's cool in summer, so it just keeps the one temperature, whatever the reason is. So once I move them two lifts, we'll get them moved. I'm going to use this pit in odd time, so we'll do another wee video down here. How it used to be. And that's the wee ladder. So I want to sit on here minutes a day here on this run here, and rest of the legs when they're doing the job. So I'll get it back up out of here again. So that'll be our next project. Not just as fat as I was, but there you go. So you have to remember to close up the pit when you're finished the job. But it did the job. It was time. It was good to have it. So we used it from 88 till 96, I would say. We got our first lift. And then we used the lift in. We're going to shift them all. I'm going to shift this lift back a bit here. Shift her tight to the wall there. And put the other lift side by side. So that'll leave this pit here. It'll be able to use this one again. So once we were cleaning the whole place and added the whole place, really paint the whole inside here. She wasn't painting there for a long time. So we're going to revamp the whole thing and move them lifts. I'll leave that pit, we can use it again. So we'll get it all cleaned in, steam cleaned, and fix up the wee shelves there in there. A couple of lights on. Get it all painted up. And we'll make a video of that when we have that done.